Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Claude chat history using Anthropic export, full guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up your Claude chat history, first, access your Anthropic account. Sign in using your credentials associated with the workflow. Once logged in, navigate to the settings section of your account. Look for the option labeled Data Export or Backup. Click on this option to initiate the export process. You will see a prompt asking for confirmation to export your data. Review any information provided about the backup process. If everything looks correct, confirm your request to proceed. The system will start preparing your chat history for download. This may take a few moments, depending on the size of your data. Once the preparation is complete, a download link will appear. Click on the link to start downloading your chat history file. The file will typically be in a standard format such as CSV or JSON. Choose a location on your device to save the file securely. Make sure to check the integrity of the downloaded file. Open the file using an appropriate application to view your chat history. You can now access your backup whenever needed. Keep this backup in a safe place to prevent data loss. By following these steps, you can easily maintain a record of your Claude chat history. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.